Welcome to the Grimvault. The Grimvault is a level 45 to 50 zone, which currently, at this stage in the beta, includes two subzones, Southern Grimvault and Western Grimvault. This is currently the final regular questing zone that you will encounter on your path to level 50. Quoting directly from the Galactic Archives, the Grimvault is an ancient Elden holding facility built from the impossibly rare Exonite to contain the most dangerous outcomes of the Nexus project. Essentially, an enormous walled wasteland today containing untold numbers of strain-corrupted creatures, it was once the center of Elden experimentation on Nexus. Its Exonite walls, built from more of that rare mineral than has ever been seen elsewhere in the galaxy, were constructed to contain the immensely destructive power of the entity. Now, you'll learn more about the entity as you're questing, so I'm not going to spoil anything. At least not too much. Now, as you can see, the landscape has been drastically altered by an unknown virus known as the Strain. This has warped and twisted the environment into a bizarre, monstrous, nightmarish world. And it's going to be up to you to investigate the source and stop the Strain from taking over all of Nexus. The leaders of both the Dominion and the Exiles agree, Grimvault will be where the battle for this planet is truly won. They simply disagree on who should be left standing. I hope you've enjoyed this little fly-through of the Grimvault, and rest assured that there is far more to discover than I have disclosed in this video. Stay tuned for more, and until next time, I'll see you later.